Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering documents and choosing the right account type. This prevents delays during verification. Once done, open the Interactive Broker's website or Ibkr mobile and select Open Account. Enter your personal details, tax ID, and residency information accurately because mismatches trigger manual review. Make sure to upload clear scans of your ID and proof of address now. Use JPEG or PDF. Finally, link a bank for transfers and select base currency to avoid conversion fees later. Next, confirm your email and enable two-factor authentication to secure access. This is critical for account activation. Then finish the suitability and experience questionnaire so Ibkr can set appropriate trading permissions and margin approvals. Answer honestly to avoid restrictions. Select cash or margin, choose market data subscriptions, and authorize agreements. Once you upload documents, expect automated checks and occasional manual review. Watch your inbox and Ibkr messages for additional requests. Make sure to approve required disclosure. Finally, fund your account using the chosen transfer method. Wiring is faster but may incur bank fees, while ACH often takes a few business days. Once funds settle, configure Trader Workstation or the client portal, subscribe to market data, and set up base currency conversion and trade defaults. Test a small trade to validate permissions. If verification or funding stalls, check the Document Center for rejection reasons, gather the requested files, and contact Ibkr support with your case ID. This speeds resolution and gets you trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.